To begin with, just stand upright. Feel your center, and from there, feel your body. And then just from your center, slowly go down inwardly, root yourself, go down to your feet, even feel into the earth, and try to sense that the body, by doing this, even becomes a little bit more upright and support this tendency. Then feel towards your right or left side, into this dimension of left and right, and make one step to this side and feel this dimension going far beyond you towards the left or right. And then feel to the other side and make a step into this side too, so that your heart is centered again. And feel this dimension to left and right, down, even deep down in your legs. From there, start embracing the world around you with a big round gesture. And feel the space behind you at the same time. Experience those three dimensions for a while. Let your breath react and slowly let go again. And if you let go slowly, the energy can still stay around your body and connect with your body. So it's better not to drop the arms too quickly. We do it 2 more times. From the center towards the earth, rooting yourself and growing through this. Feeling your dimension towards the side, stepping into this dimension, feeling your dimension to the other side, stepping in there, and return to the center. Feel both dimensions, up, down, left, right. Embrace the front. Feel the space behind. Feel your breath react. And let go. All the exercises we are going to do now are dealing with these 3 dimensions in a different way. We start with the exercise of yes and no. You stand upright, centered. You feel the dimension of left and right. Your foot starts, your left leg makes a bow towards the front, and you place the foot in front. And you arrive with the weight on both feet, stable, grounded, from the heart down to the earth. Take your foot back. Try to move your leg with the energy of your chest. The chest becomes big and takes the leg along, and you let go and place it. And back. You place it and you feel in front. And you feel the space behind. Back. Yes. And yes. For the no, I just turned that you can see me from the side a little bit. I take my left foot, maybe I turn like this, and you make the bow back. You feel towards the right, back, and you place both feet. Your heart is directed forward. No. and return to the center. No. No. And feel that you are behind now. Behind the plane you have been in the center. And now we do it one after another. Left yes begins. Yes. And no. And yes. And no. And yes. And no. And yes. And no. And yes. And no. We will look into this exercise later once again and do it quicker then and with different aspects. Just feel into your body now and feel your legs and feel how your lung, your chest and other parts of the body react.